Okay, so moving on to step 7 of the tutorial 3 review assignment for access. Now we're going to create another query. This time we're going to use both the state, or both the supplier and the products table. So we'll do create, query design, add both tables, close, and then again it specifies the fields. So we want company, category, and state. Company, category, and again all I'm doing is double clicking on these fields. And state, and let's see, on the products table we want product name, price, units, and weight. So product name, price, units, weight. Okay, and alright, so we're going to sort by price in descending order, so we want the biggest on top, and select only those fields where the state is Connecticut. Okay, what that means is this: if I run the query, you see the state field has state abbreviations instead of the full state name, so you're looking for only those states where CT is the abbreviation. So to do that, whenever you want to limit the number of records in a query, you're going to address the criteria row here in design view. So first thing is make sure you get underneath the proper field, in this case the state field, and then click into the criteria row directly below the show checkbox. And then you just simply type, in this case CT, and when you do that, that stands for Connecticut, and then when you click off of that, you'll see quotation marks go around it. Text values go in quotes, and 99 times out of 100 Access will put those quotes in for you. However, it is certainly very good to know that if you're entering text criteria for a text field, the criteria need to go inside quotes. That's how Access knows exactly what to look for. You don't have to put an equal sign in front of it. You can if you want. If you don't put an equal sign, it's understood, so it's assumed to be equal. Now, so we've done that, and now it says on top of that, do not display the state field. What they mean by that is this: if I was to run this query right now, it's only showing the records for the state of Connecticut. Well, I'm going to name this query Connecticut Suppliers. Well, I don't need to see Connecticut, Connecticut, Connecticut down all the way down. So I'll go back here to design view and uncheck this show box. So what that's telling Access is that, I need the field here, pardon me, I need the field here so I can put the criteria in, but I don't really want to see it when I run the query. So when I run the query now, it's not there. So you go ahead and save this query, and this time we're calling it CT Suppliers, like that. Once you've done that, you can close it, and we're ready to move on to the next query.